Hey, what's up everybody? It's Kyle from Unboxed Autos, and today I'm going to tell you 5 things I absolutely love about the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. First up, I absolutely love the front frunk, as they're calling it. So it's a front trunk, front frunk, whatever you want to call it. Absolutely love it. It is super spacious. It's actually class leading. This is the largest front trunk in class, which is really great. So if you have a lot of baggage, you have a lot of groceries, suitcases, tools, whatever you need, you can put that in here, and it is absolutely, very large. I mean, look at this, guys. I can fit my entire body in this entire thing. It's really great. Also, right here, 120 volt, 20 amp, 2.4 kilowatt max. Right here, 4 different outlets. Of course, USB-C there as well in the lower corner. Great for camping. I think this would be a great car to take camping. And also a little storage space underneath right there. But overall, absolutely fantastic amount of space here in the front trunk. And then you just go ahead and press a button and it closes there automatically. So super cool feature. One of the nice things about EVs is all that extra space up front. Number 2, I love the design. I think they did a really cool job with the F-150 Lightning, making it look unique to, being their first full EV pickup truck, but also not radically changing the entire look of the vehicle so much that it's sort of weird looking. But I think this is really neat. We have this entire front LED light bar, which is definitely indicative of the Lightning. So that's something that you can definitely tell. Right here, we also have this styling patch right here. So on the other side is where we actually plug in the car, but it's a cool little cutout. I think it looks pretty neat. And then of course we have the Lightning badging right here on the rear. Right here, Thunderbolt, looks pretty cool. And yeah, so I definitely really like that. Also right here, another little styling accent point. We have the American flag here with another Ford Lightning bolt, as I'll call it. Right here, rear lights also new. We have a little texturized in here, F-150, says it right here. Cool textures down the side. Also has this really cool 3-dimensional look here, how it jets out. It has these different angles to it. I think that looks really cool. Another great thing about the F-150 Lightning is the extended range. So we can actually go 320 miles on the extended range model. And also it supports, of course, DC fast charging. It says up to 155 kilowatts, but I've seen it as fast as 167 during my time with the vehicle. The next thing I really love about it is the interior versatility and utility. So you can go ahead and pop this thing down. That's an industry first. That's really cool. And then go ahead and you have an entire desk basically right here. You can go ahead and write up estimates and things of that nature all right here. Another cool little interior peek is this little box right here. I think that's pretty fun and cool how it opens up, and then you can just press that. Bingo, it opens right up, and then when you want this back, to go ahead and put it in drive and go on your way, pop it right back up and it's ready to go. And lastly, I love the power. This thing has 775 pound-feet of torque right here. So we slow down this a little bit, and then when you hammer it, oh my God, it just is nuts. It's nuts. It's nuts. Oh geez, car driver estimates a 0 to 60 time in the Lightning of just 4 seconds. So geez, oh Pete's, guys, this thing is absolutely nuts. With tons of power, all that torque just all at one time makes it a real fun vehicle to drive. And the low center of gravity also makes it nice to drive. It really drives so well. It really feels, you definitely feel how large it is, just because of the weight, but how it handles with the low center of gravity really feels pretty sporty.